Hi, welcome to NAMES virtual class by PGNA. Today, I wanted us to go deeper into physics, away from the normal series of Physics 1, where in my last video, I promised to work on kinetic theory of matter, which I believe will be the next video tomorrow. But today, I'm just going to be focusing on linear motion, specifically distance, which is part of linear motion. And as a subtopic of linear motion, I wanted us first to break down and have a clear understanding on what linear motion is. If you look at these terms, these are two terms. Two terms, linear motion. So the word linear means straight. Straight. And the word motion is movement. So in physics, the study of motion in physics, the study of motion with no regard to the force that causes the motion is called kinematics. So in physics, a study of motion is called kinematics. And this kinematics comes from the word kinetic. Kinetic. K-I-N-E-T-I. While the kinetic comes from a Greek word called kaine, which means, this Greek word means I move. And therefore the word kinetics is equal to move. It's equal to movement. And the study of that movement, which is motion in physics, is what they call kinematics. But this motion can either be in a straight line, this motion here. When the motion is in a straight line, we call it linear. We call it linear motion. And what this topic does is that it focuses so much on key things. This topic focuses so much on key things. The topic motion focuses so much on key things. It focuses on distance. It focuses on displacement. It focuses on the speed, time taken, velocity, and acceleration. So, in a series of videos, I will be unpacking all these key components under motion: the distance, displacement, speed, time taken, velocity, acceleration. But today, I will be looking at distance. And so, what is distance? What is distance? What is distance? A distance is the total length of path followed by an object, regardless of direction. Regardless of direction. That is one. the definition of a distance is the total length of path followed by an object regardless of the direction. It does not matter which direction you take, as long as you take different direction to reach the place. It is measured in length. Measured in length. And the SI unit, the International Standards of Unit, SI unit of distance is meter. Of course, if you are measuring a long distance, sometimes we use kilometers, or if it is a short distance, we use centimeters or millimeters. But the standard unit of distance is meter. So that's what we need to know. Also, distance, because it does not focus on the direction in which an object takes, is scalar quantity. Now I wanted you to understand more what a scalar quantity is. And so if you are watching this video, please make a research on what a scalar quantity is and then give me an answer in the comment section. What is a scalar quantity? And so for you to understand more about distance, I just want us to take an example. Assuming that you are moving from point, you want to go from point A, and you are going east, you are here, and you are going east of point B, you are moving from point A, east of point B, and then north of point C. So your intention was for you to go to point C. But then for you to go to point C, you are following this path. You are first moving from point A, east of point B, you come to point B, then from point B, you go to point C. So what we are saying that the total distance from A to B plus B to C is what we call the total length from A to B and B to C is what we call a distance. In summary, we are saying that the distance is the total length of the path followed by an object, regardless of the direction. It is measured in length, and the SI unit for distance is meter, and is a scalar quantity. And I'm giving you an assignment to define for me what a scalar quantity is. Thank you so much for watching this video. In my next video, I'll be looking at displacement as part of motion. Please watch and don't remember to share with the rest of the police. Thank you.